Hey guys, I'm going to give you a little peek at my tinctures. They're all ready for sale if anyone's interested in them. Okay, we're going to start off over here. So we've got magic mushroom tinctures. It's hard to see with that light. Okay. These are ginger root tinctures with alcohol. And then in behind is ginger root tincture with, that one's glycerin. And then that's another ginger root tincture with apple cider vinegar. And these were ginger root tinctures with alcohol. Then we've got garlic tinctures with alcohol. As you can see, that one's almost empty. I take the garlic all the time. And then in behind is garlic with glycerin. Then we've got Indium Pipe. Now this is the Indium Pipe roots. Look at them roots. Can you see that? It's hard to see because my camera's shining from the light, but that's all the little nests. That noise is my infusion machine. I'm infusing some honey. It's all the nests. So that's alcohol. Tincture of Indium Pipe roots, and then this is, oh, you can see them. Can you see them? There's all the pipes. Look at how beautiful they are in there. So that is all pipes in there. And then, let's see if you can see, and here is more pipes in that bottle. And there's a tincture on top. It's all strained. Then we've got St. Johnswort. How pretty they are. These are all glycerin ones, made with vegetable glycerin at different times. You can see this one's really light. That one's getting really dark. Oh, it's so pretty. So they're the glycerin ones. I think that's all a lineup of glycerin all the way back there. Yeah, I got, oh, see something that I forgot to show you. There was more Indium Pipe, and these are the Indium Pipes, not tinctured. They are for nerve stimulation. You smoke these if you're like really in trouble, in a lot of pain. You smoke them. So that's the Indium Pipes themselves. Okay, so they were all glycerin. St. Johnswort glycerins. Let's see here. I'm kind of a fanatic. I like everything a certain way. This stuff is like beautiful to me because it took me so much time to prepare all of this, to harvest it and prepare it. So then we have St. Johnswort tincture, alcohol tinctures. Look how red that is. Wow. Gorgeous. So they're all alcohol ones. Look how pretty they are. Like, oh, you can still see the yellow flower in there. In the glycerin one with all of the medicines gone into the glycerin. And then these are the alcohol ones. I got a lot of them because people need that in the winter for depression. And then we've got some dandelion root tincture. And we had, this stuff's really good. It's rose cannabis tinctures. Amazing for sleep. Then we got a nice chunk of tinctures in behind there. We have some mullein tinctures. Then over here we have our corn silk. I should have told you what they're all for, actually. There's a corn silk. Then we've got some reishi. We've got some ginkgo biloba. Then we got our lion's mane, and then our lion's mane mixed with magic mushroom and niacin, more lion's mane. So I'll just give you a little go fast on what these are for. The lion's mane is for the brain and also for depression. The corn silk is for urinary tract infections. The reishi is for stimulation of energy and new growth of just cells to rejuvenate. It makes you young feeling. Ginkgo biloba is for the brain. Really good for the brain with people that are having brain fog and Alzheimer's and dementia. Then we got the dandelion roots. Look how pretty that is. Wow. That's for inflammation. We've got the cannabis and rose tincture is for sleep. We've got St. Johnswort tincture for anxiety and depression, and also the St. Johnswort tincture in the glycerin for anxiety and depression. Then we got Indium Pipe for the nerves, for emotional and physical pain. Actually, it's a nerve tonic. They used this for centuries years ago when they didn't have like pain meds to do operations. They would use the Indium Pipe to stimulate the pain receptors, so they could actually operate and cut someone open just using Indium Pipe tincture. Then we get the garlic tincture, and the garlic tincture in glycerin, which is for flu season. Like if you have this all the time, you'll never get sick with the flu or a cold. Then we got the ginger roots in both the alcohol and the glycerin tincture, and that is for the immune system, also for anti-inflammatory, and the garlic was for anti-inflammatory. Then we've got the magic mushroom tinctures and honeys, and they are for anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and depression and panic attacks. So if anyone's interested in any of, oh, I can't believe how beautiful she is, any of these tinctures, just let me know and I will give you a price on them. It's like an array of like beautiful colors in here. God is good. These are so beautiful. This one's my favorite.